Hey friends, welcome back to Financially Smart Mind. Let's be honest, budgeting doesn't sound exciting. And if you're like most people, you probably hate the idea of tracking every dollar. I felt the same way, until I learned how to do it in a way that actually worked for me. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to budget your money, even if you hate budgeting. Let's make it simple, stress-free, and actually useful. Step 1. Figure out what you actually spend. Before you plan your budget, you need to know where your money's going right now. Go through your bank statement or card history for the last 30 days. No judging, just highlight everything: food, transport, subscriptions, fun, rent. This one step will open your eyes. When I did this, I found out I was spending over 500 dirhams a month on takeout without even noticing. Step 2. Give your money a job. Now that you know where your money goes, it's time to tell it where it should go. This is the heart of budgeting, and it doesn't have to be complicated. You can use a basic rule like the 50-30-20 method. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for saving or debt. Or you can create your own categories. The point is, every dirham should have a purpose. If you leave money sitting with no plan, it will disappear. Step 3. Use tools that make it easy. Don't force yourself to write everything by hand. There are tons of free budgeting apps that do the heavy lifting for you. I personally started with a simple Google Sheets template, then switched to an app later. Some good beginner tools are YNAB, You Need a Budget, Every Dollar, Spendee, and even just your banking app's built-in budget tool. Pick what works for you. It doesn't have to be fancy. Just something you'll actually use. Step 4. Build a buffer, not just savings. Most people budget based on the exact money they earn. But things always come up, and when they do, the whole budget gets thrown off. That's why I started building a buffer. Even just setting aside 100-200 dirhams a month helped me deal with surprises without messing up everything. Step 5. Review weekly, not monthly. Waiting until the end of the month is a trap. You'll forget things, miss patterns, and feel overwhelmed. Now I just review my spending once a week. It takes 10 minutes, and it keeps me on track without stressing me out. Final thoughts. You don't have to love budgeting. You just need to make it simple, regular, and realistic. Start small, adjust often, and be honest with yourself. Once I started budgeting this way, I stopped feeling broke, even before my income grew. And you can too. If you're ready to take control of your money, subscribe to Financially Smart Mind, and let's grow smarter together. And hey, drop a comment below and let me know. What's the hardest part about budgeting for you? Let's talk about it. Thank you all for watching.